So this 10-inch nice woofers, replacements for JBL Klipsch EOS.
Don't make no money, no sin, no temptation. Talking about nothing. Don't make no money, no sin.
The Gospel of John, and look, if you will, in the first chapter, and I want you to notice that
faster way to take care of aches, pains, sprains, colds, flu, itchy rashes, and upset stomachs. So drive in.
Not sugar free, my TV ain't HD, that's too real. Grapevine, mango, peaches, and limes.
Living in this modern world are surrounded by augmentation. We have bicycles that profoundly...
but here is believing. He who does not believe...
A dirty filter slows down airflow and makes your system work.
Jesús, Señor, declaramos una total sanidad. Now your photos don't have a picture frame, and I never say your name, and I never will. And all your things, well, I threw them in the trash, and I'm not even...
So this 10-inch replacement woofers for JBL Klipsch EOS. Sound fine. Thank you for looking. Good luck.